Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here with another factoring problem. Here we want to factor a trinomial. And remember, anytime you're factoring, you first want to ask, is there a GCF? And here there is no GCF. But do notice that our leading coefficient isn't a 1, it's a 3. And to make that easier to factor, we need to rewrite this middle term. And to determine how to rewrite that middle term, we use that key number method. So the coefficients of a times c, or 3 times negative 6, which is negative 18, and the coefficient of b, that middle term, is negative 7. And we use those two values to help us find two numbers that multiply to AC, negative 18, and also add to negative 7. Well, we know 9 and 2 multiply to 18. And if we have a negative 9 and a positive 2, those would add to negative 7. So we have the two terms that we can use to rewrite that middle term. Or negative 7t can be rewritten as negative 9t plus 2t. And our other two terms, the 3t squared and the minus 6, remain. We just rewrote that middle term so that now we can group and factor those groupings. Now our first grouping has 3t in common. If you factor out the 3t, we have t minus 3 remaining. And ideally, we're looking for that same t minus 3 binomial in our second grouping. And look, if we factor out a positive 2, we have t minus 3. So now we factor out that binomial t minus 3, and we're left with the binomial 3t plus 2. Remember, math is great. You can always check. So we want to check here with foiling, since we have two binomials. The first two terms multiplied together are 3t squared. The outer two terms are plus 2t. The inner are negative 9t. And the last two terms are negative 6. And we combine our like terms to get 3t squared minus 7t minus 6, which is the trinomial we began with, which tells us these factored binomials are the final answer.